Hey Otters, I want to show you how to install a shower curtain in your bathroom. It's important to install shower curtains in your bathroom so that the water does not get on the floor and away from the shower, as the floors do not have drains and are not intended to take all of this water. Water will cause damage to property and room. First, locate your shower curtain and your shower curtain hooks. The hooks that we're going to demonstrate are clip type hooks, so you can open them by applying pressure and then just clipping them open. You're going to take these hooks and you're going to find the metal eyes on your shower curtains. The metal eyes will hold the hooks, so you put the opened end of the hook through and you continue rotating it around until the small portion of the hook is attached to the shower curtain. The top round part will go on the top. It makes it easier to put your shower curtain up if you put both ends up first and you work from the outside in. Once your hooks are around the shower curtain bar, clip your hooks back so that it makes a continuous circle around the shower curtain and around the bar. Continue to do this process until you have your shower curtain fully installed. Now once it's installed, you're going to want to make sure that the shower curtain remains completely on the inside of the tub or the inside of the wall of the shower. This is a view of the inside of the shower. This directs all of the water into the tub basin and down the drain, preventing water from escaping.